What's going on, Red Raider Nation, other college football people out there? Basically, I just had to make this video. I'm sitting here watching the North Carolina Miami game, and I just found out about that Brandon Marshall guy that played for the Chicago Bears that got fined for wearing green cleats in honor of Mental Illness Awareness Month while he was playing the Giants. Now, I'm not really a big NFL fan, but I do like the Bears because I love Walter Payton. He played there. My dad knows Eddie Payton because they're native Mississippians. And he used to be like my hero growing up. But basically, I just think this is so stupid. Like, seriously, people, come on. Like, now don't get me wrong. Now, the whole breast cancer awareness thing is very important. It really is. That's a big deal. I hope that every single October that a lot of people, everybody will continue showing their pink support and everything. But we got to realize there is other ones out there too. I mean, mental illness, autism is a big one. Brain cancer. It's not just breast cancer. Now that's an important one, but there are way other more fatal ones that probably need to be addressed too. Breast cancer's gotten so much support, and I just feel like we left a lot of other ones out. Pancreatic cancer, prostate cancer. Both my granddads had that. I've got to have a checkup in a couple weeks, which I'm really, really dreading because it's going to involve a finger. I won't say any more, but I'm getting nightmares about it every single day thinking about it. I'm not looking forward to it. But still, I mean, there's other things out there too, guys. And I just think that's so stupid of the football commission, the NFL commission, to fine him for wearing green cleats in honor of something when half the NFL teams were wearing pink in honor of breast cancer. It just doesn't add up to me. So I don't know what's going on with the world now, people. I really don't. That's just stupid in my book. But tell me what you think. I'm fixing to eat these awesome ass tacos that I just made. But just let me know. Take care, guys.